If I told you there was a camera in your bedroom right now, you would probably tear the room apart looking for a lens. But what if the camera doesn't have a lens? What if the device tracking your every move in complete darkness was the exact same device giving you the internet? Welcome to Wait What, and today we are going to look at a terrifying technological breakthrough. Researchers have figured out how to use a cheap Wi-Fi router to completely see through a solid wall and track human body in real life. And the terrifying part is the code is completely open source. Let's break down how our internet just become an invisible surveillance tool. To understand this, you have to realize what Wi-Fi actually is. Radio wave. Your router is constantly flooding your house with this invisible wave to reach your phone. But humans are made up of 70% of water, and water completely distorts radio signals. Normally, routers ignore this distortion as background noise. But engineers just realized that this noise contains a massive amount of data. It's called CSI, Channel State Information. By analyzing exactly how the Wi-Fi signal bounce, scatter and break when it hit by a water-filled human body, the router acts exactly like a submarine using sonar. For years, CSI data was too messy for humans to read. Enters artificial intelligence. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University took a computer vision model called DensePose, which was originally designed to map pixels on screens, and trained it to read Wi-Fi signal instant. They feed AI thousands of hours of Wi-Fi distortion data, and the AI learned how to translate those broken radio waves into a live, moving 3D skeleton. It can tell if you are standing, sitting, or laying down. This isn't just theoretical. The white paper and open source repositories are floating around GitHub right now. This is where it gets terrifying. Wi-Fi signals don't stop at your front door. They blend out into the streets. A hacker wouldn't even need to be inside your network. By sitting outside your house with a basic Wi-Fi receiver, they can passively intercept the CSI data bouncing out of your living room. By running that intercepting signal through this open source AI model, a stalker or a hacker could map exactly how many people are inside a house, which room they are in, and even track micro movement of their chest to know exactly when they fall asleep. Right now, this tech is being pitched to help people trapped under rubble in earthquake, or to monitor the elderly if they fall down. But technology is a double-edged sword. As AI getting smarter, the invisible wave all around us are quietly becoming eyes in the dark. Would you feel safe knowing your router is watching you? Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe for more deep tech mysteries. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, yeah. Next video.